This faceless Instagram page is getting over 100 million views on every post, just by uploading AI-made luxury-type videos. No talking, no face. And yes, they're earning thousands. In this video, I'll show you how to copy their exact strategy in just 3 simple steps. You've probably seen these videos: 23 million views, 16 million views, 10 million views. They're everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. And guess what? Hardly anyone is doing it right now. That means more chances for you. And the best part? You do not need fancy editing software, any experience at all. Here's what I'll show you in this video: the exact AI tool that makes luxury videos in seconds, no editing needed. A secret way to make money even if Instagram doesn't pay you. A simple trick to turn views into over $1,000 a month without showing your face. This is how people are leaving their 9-to-5 jobs by posting luxury videos with AI. Step 1. Use this free AI tool to create luxury videos. Step 2. Add popular music that's safe to use, no copyright issues. Step 3. Post daily and follow my viral hashtag formula to get views fast. I'll share the secret money trick at the end, so don't skip. I made over $2,300 last month doing this, with no followers at the start. But this niche is getting crowded fast. So start now, before it's too late. So now let me show you how to get viral AI luxury videos from an Instagram page using just your laptop or computer.
Before we get started, let me share something exciting with you. If you are tired of spending hours making long videos and not getting the views you want on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this tool is just what you need. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. With this amazing AI tool, you can easily turn your long videos into short, catchy ones that get more views. You can also add automatic subtitles with just one click to make your video stand out even more. And here is the best part: once you've edited your video, just click the share button to download it. Nexus Clip will even create the title, description, and category for you. No extra effort is needed. You can directly upload your shorts or TikToks without even opening those apps. This tool makes everything so easy and fast. Now that you know about Nexus Clip, let's get started with today's video.
First, go to Google and search for a screenshot Chrome extension. Add that extension to your Chrome browser. Then, open the Instagram page that posts luxury AI videos. I've chosen one of the most viral videos from their page, which got over 100 million views. Play the video. As it plays, pause at every important scene, like when a car or mansion shows up. Then, use the screenshot extension to take a clean screenshot of each scene. Save each image to your device. This way, in just a few minutes, you'll have everything you need to create your own 30 to 45-second viral video. But wait, this next step is super important. We don't just use these screenshots as they are, we need to turn them into unique images, so your video doesn't get flagged or copied. Alright, once you've saved all your screenshots now, it's time to make them 100% unique so you don't face any copyright issues. Here's exactly what to do. Go to a free tool called imageprompt.org. Upload your first screenshot there. Then click the Generate Prompt button. This tool will instantly give you a description of your image. This is your AI prompt. Copy the prompt that imageprompt.org gives you. After opening ChatGPT, here's exactly what you need to do. First, paste the starter prompt that I'll give you. Don't worry, I've added it in the video description. Just copy and paste it inside ChatGPT. Next, go back to imageprompt.org and take the prompt it gave you for your screenshot. Now, paste that second prompt right below the starter prompt in ChatGPT. Then, just press enter, and boom! ChatGPT will create a completely unique image prompt that you can use to make AI-generated luxury images that are totally yours. This trick makes sure your content looks fresh, original, and safe from copyright issues. And this is the secret to making your own luxury-style content without stealing or copying anyone. Awesome! Your first prompt is almost ready. Here's what to do next. Repeat the same simple steps for each screenshot. Go to imageprompt.org. Upload your screenshot. Click the Generate Prompt button. Once you get the prompt from imageprompt.org, copy it. Now go to ChatGPT, but this time, you don't need any extra prompts. Just paste the prompt you got from imageprompt.org directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly create a unique, ready-to-use AI prompt that you can now turn into an eye-catching luxury image. And that's it. Your first viral AI prompt is ready to be turned into an image. Now that you have your unique AI prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to turn them into stunning luxury images. And for that, we'll use an amazing website called picleman.com. Here's exactly what to do. Go to www.picleman.com, sign up and log in. It's free and fast. Once you're inside, you'll see a button called Create on the main page. Click it. Now paste the AI prompt you got from ChatGPT. Select the image ratio as 9:16, perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. Choose your model. You can use the default one or pick any model you like. Click Generate and your luxury image will be created in seconds. Once the image is ready, click Download to save it to your device. Repeat this process for all your other prompts and soon you'll have a full set of high-quality, unique luxury images, ready to be turned into a viral video. Now it's time to turn your luxury images into a viral video using a powerful AI tool called hailuo AI. First, sign up and log in to hailuo AI. Then, open ChatGPT and paste the special prompt I'll give you. This will help turn your images into a smooth video. Go back to hailuo AI, click Create Video, and choose the Image to Video option. Upload your saved images one by one, then scroll down and paste the video prompt from ChatGPT into the box. Set your video length, like 30 or 45 seconds, and click Generate Video. Once your video is ready, just download it to your device. That's it. You've created a professional, viral, luxury video with zero editing or voiceover. Repeat the same steps for all your images. Once your videos are ready, save them to your device. We'll use them in the next step to complete your final video. Now it's time to add sound to your video, either music or sound effects. I recommend using sound effects as they make your video more unique and engaging. If you want to use music, pick trending audio from Instagram to increase your chances of going viral. But if you prefer sound effects, just open ChatGPT and paste the special prompt I'll give you. Press Enter and ChatGPT will create a sound effect prompt for you. Then go to Elevenlabs.com, sign up or log in, and find the sound effects section. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Elevenlabs will give you 3 to 4 sound effects, download and save them. Repeat the same process with different prompts to collect more unique sound effects for your video. Now it's time to bring everything together using CapCut, an amazing and free video editing tool. Open CapCut and click the Import button to upload the video you made with hailuo AI and the sound effects you downloaded. First, drag your video onto the timeline. If you want to add transitions or cool effects, you can find them in the Effects section. I recommend doing some basic editing to make your video clean and professional. Once you're happy with your video, click Export and save it to your device. And now, as I promised at the beginning, here's the secret way to make money. Once your Instagram page starts getting views, you can sell digital products, like online courses, templates, or guides, right from your page. This is how many creators earn thousands of dollars every month, all with faceless, AI-generated videos.